Designing a product catalog used to mean weeks of manual work and constant formatting headaches. But that ends today because I'm going to be showing you how to use Vengage's special AI catalog generator to turn just a simple prompt into a professional and brand-ready product, which you'll be able to showcase in just a few clicks. If you're running an e-commerce store or small business, this is the ultimate product hack in 2026. We are now logged in to our own personal Vengage account, and we're going to be talking to you about the AI catalog generator and showing you how seamless it is and how easy it is. What's great about Vengage is that they allow you to go from one single well-articulated prompt to a stunning professional design in minutes, saving you huge amounts of time and money. You no longer have to focus on manual asset creation. This really is the perfect solution for if you're a new e-commerce store, maybe you're just working on your own business and you don't quite yet have a large budget to be using. You're going to be able to afford this. The AI constructed template actually understands the hierarchy of products within the catalog. It really does organize your images, your descriptions into an organized and easy to read layout for your consumer. It really does eliminate that blank page problem that so many new designers have. Now, let's show you how the free AI catalog generator works in real time. Remember, the link is in the description and you can try this for free. Totally worth doing. So here it is here, our single prompt. Summer 2026 tech collection with prices and descriptions. So we're going to go ahead and generate this right now. It's going to take us automatically into our editor here, which is great. Wow, this is actually coming together so quick. So you can see it's working on it here on the left side of the screen, refining the collections, rising tech visuals. You can see it. It's coming together in real time. This would take thousands of dollars and hours of time if you were to pay and fork out. I mean, this is seriously impressive how quickly this is coming together. All right, here we go. So let's have a look. I've updated your design to feature the Summer 2026 tech collection. So here it is here, the image. As we can see, the design's really good. Let's have a look at the second page. Bit of a summery vibe, outdoors, girl with a summery dress, just chilling, smartphone there. It put together in a really nice way. Look at the actual last one here too, as well, in our tech innovation section here. And again, it looks natural. It doesn't necessarily look AI generated. Seriously impressive. And now it goes over here and says, how does it look? So it asks you the question. The draft has been made, so after this is done, you have full freedom to manually change or customize everything. You can manually change it yourself. You can prompt the AI. For example, if we just say something like this, that'll get the AI ripping on that. Okay, so look at this. Fantastic. So immediately more of a beach vibe. It's listen to what I've said. And have a look at this. You can even actually shuffle up the colors. So if you're not immediately happy with this one, for example, we can shuffle it up. Maybe even this one. I quite like this one too. So you've got a lot of different options there. And what's actually really nice is, say, for example, we go on the left side of the screen here and go to text. If we go to heading 1 there, you can actually manually input text here. So if we just say, just for argument's sake, Summer Vibe 2026, we can basically put that there. So you can do a combination of AI and just your own manual editing. Boom. There's also lots of different things you can do. There are icons that you can mess around with as well. You've also got images, which you can also add. Say we want to add in this wallet here. You've also got like a nice little image library that you can use. You can still generate images, search for images that are already in that library as well. So you've got so many tools just at your disposal right here. So while the AI builds the initial draft and the actual catalog there, you still as the creator, the business owner, have the power to make it 100% original and your own. Now, there's a really cool feature here. So you can actually ask the AI designer to suggest a new layout. So it's kind of like a smart suggestions thing. So if you're getting a bit of like a mental block on your prompt, no worries, because there's a fix for that as well. So we're going to go ahead and get a new suggestion on the layout. And bang, 3 different options. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I like this one. So it's bringing up its own template about what it suggests. And there it is, the Summer Tech Collection right there on that last page. Really nice. We've got some really good tools here in the AI tools section. And so we're going to try a little AI rewrite. So for example, we just go to this segment here. Maybe we just want to change that little section there. So what we would do is, if we go over here to the AI writing assistant, let's just say we want to elaborate more. And take a look there. I've updated the selected text box to read, experience lightning fast performance and intelligent AI integration for a truly powerful and seamless user experience. We also have an image generator too. So let's go ahead and generate an image. Let's describe something. So let's put that prompt in there and let's see what kind of image we can get from that. All right, so as we can see, we've got some lovely images that have just popped up here. Let's take a look. You can expand them. Say, for example, we want it to be up in the top corner there. What's really great as well is that you can mix up the color palettes. As we can see, we've got the deep navy here, but if we want to change it up, just head over to the brand kit section and you can easily experiment and shuffle around with different color palettes and styles. You can also actually apply the brand color scheme. So for example, this is based on Reddit, and you can basically apply that. All right, and as you can see, it's been updated to look like Reddit. We even got the little Reddit logo there. I love that, super cool. Okay, so now we're on to the exporting segment as well. So it's really important that we do an AI accessibility checker, because if you don't, then your actual customer reach could be limited. You want to make sure that everything checks out okay, and that it's good to publish out to as many people as we want. So we just go into the file section here, down to accessibility here, and hit check accessibility, and it's going to give you the ranking. Let's make your design accessible. So we're going to hit check my design. So you can actually see here immediately 12 issues detected. The text size failed, and there were certain things that actually do need review as well here. So this basically gives you the chance to go through and fix all of these issues before you actually publish it. So this is definitely something you'll want to do before that final export. Then once we fixed everything and we're happy with it, we can go ahead and hit download. As you can see, share, download, embed. So PDF, for example, which is ideal for accessibility, hyperlinks, and printing, and we can just go ahead and hit download, download complete. It's all sorted out, and it's going to be ready to actually put out to our consumers. So entrepreneurs, business owners, what are you waiting for? Sign up today to get access to over 100 AI generators, with even more new tools being added every single week, so you can keep leveling up your game. This really is your all-in-one full design suite for all business products and needs, not just catalogs. Stop wasting hours on manual formatting and start scaling your business visuals today. Click the link in the description to try the AI catalog generator for free. And for a very limited time only, use my code 50OFF-NOW, all uppercase, to get 50% off an annual plan for Venngage Premium or Business.